Namaste. Professor Girish Kukreja here. Today, sharing with you some Sant Kabir Das Dohas. Dohas, the two-liners of Sant Kabir Das who have been showing the path of moksha and salvation to all the humanity since time immemorial. Sant Kabir Das ji have been giving various lucid examples to explain the easy ways to achieve the salvation, moksha, to understand life, love, the act of karmas, and in all aspects of life you will find the dohas of Sant Kabir were applicable at that time, and I personally feel that they are more applicable in the present times. In the science of spirituality, all are headed towards only one aim, that is the salvation, the moksha, to know the Supreme Being, to know God, to know the Lord. Sant Kabir Das gives a very lucid explanation of where exactly can you find the God, the one whom we have been searching since the time we have been on this particular planet. We all have been trying to search God. Sant Kabir Das says, "ज्यों तिल माही तेल है, ज्यों तिल माही तेल है, ज्यों चकमक में आग, तेरा साईं तुझी में है, जाग सके तो जाग." Wow, so wonderfully he has given you the address of God. We all are trying to achieve salvation, we all are trying to achieve moksha, but do we really know where to find it? Do we really know the address? Whenever you are about to go somewhere to meet someone, the first and the foremost thing which you all need to know is the address. Wherever you go at an unknown place, people will ask you where you want to go, whom you want to meet. Once you tell, I want to meet so and so person, they will ask you what address you have, where will you find, how will you find, what are the landmarks. Have we really known the address of God? Have we really known the address of this Almighty, whom we have been searching since the time immemorial? Sant Kabir Das is well known to give very beautiful examples and make the things simpler to us. Sant Kabir Das says कि as you will find oil in the sesame seed, but if you look at the sesame seed as such, you will find that there is no oil. You show it to a layman, he will never find out that there is oil in this particular sesame seed, but we know that it is there. As the oil lies in the sesame seed, it is very there. It is not visible, but it is there. Similar is with the God within us. Have we realized that it is the supreme power? We are the son of this supreme soul. Have we really addressed this? He says, as there is fire in the flintstones. You look at the flintstones, can anyone tell, a layman can tell that it is going to give rise to a fire? Yes, but when you rub these flintstones, you really see that there is fire. So this is how the hidden forms are. Sant Kabir Das says, as you cannot see the oil in the sesame seed, as you cannot see the fire in the flintstones, so blind you are that you cannot see the God which is hidden inside you. So Sant Kabir Das says कि ज्यों तिल माही तेल है, ज्यों चकमक में आग. As there is oil in the sesame seed, though not visible, though not very as evident there. As there is fire in the flintstones, though again not exemplary there, you cannot just see it there, but still there, we all know it's there. Similarly, the God is residing inside you. Tera साईं तुझी में है. Sant Kabir Das says that the Lord Almighty, the whom you have been searching from so many years, I don't know how many incarnations we have all been taking in search of this supreme soul, in search of this supreme power. He says that the same Lord resides in you. The same qualities of God resides in you. We all, if we really check ourselves, what we want peace, we want power, we want bliss, we want happiness. Where are we going to search this? It is we who we are. We are the son of the supreme soul. A son of a king is going to be a king. So if I am the son of that Lord, I have all the qualities of that. But have I ever realized, have I ever awakened those qualities within me? Sant Kabir Das says कि introspect yourselves, don't keep on searching outside. You see, whenever we focus, we try to focus outside. You see, whenever we try to discuss, we try to find it somewhere else. You try to look up at the sky, you try to look up here, you try to look up there, and you are trying to find out everywhere, but we never focused inside. It is this science of spirituality which makes us, in what Hindi they call it as antarmukh. They tell you to introspect yourself, to get all your senses, not all outside, but to get all your senses inside. Once you know what is happening within you, once you know what is happening with me, once you know who you are, probably all your questions will be solved. Therefore, it is always said that the search of God, it starts with the search of self. Once I realize who I am, what are my original qualities, probably that will lead me towards this path of salvation. As I cannot see the oil in the sesame seed, as we cannot see the fire in the flint stone, but is there, similarly, we cannot see the God in ourselves. This is how blind we are. We cannot see the qualities of that supreme being inside. Let us introspect now. He says, Tera Sai Tuji mein hi leaves the things to us, and he says, Jag sake to jag. He says that you are so blinded by this. He only says that if you really want to get up and you really want to see, and if you want to really come out of this dream, it is all up to you. So if you want to get up, if you want to come out of this dream, if you want to come out of this sleep, he says that please introspect and find your Lord within yourself. Let us awaken those supreme and divine qualities within us. Who does not like peace? You go and ask a person who is a terrorist, he is also doing something because he wants peace. Though his ways and means are different, but he wants peace. Who does not want love? Will you find anyone in this world who does not need love? We all want love. But have we realized that we ourselves are a manifestation of love? We ourselves are a manifestation of happiness. We ourselves are the manifestation of bliss. We ourselves are the manifestation of peace. But this is what we have been searching everywhere except where it exactly is. So let us introspect. Let us find the divine qualities within ourselves and achieve this goal of salvation and meet the God within us. Thank you.